Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I have something really special for you today. I'm joining 30 other ladies and I'm doing a YouTube hop called 31 Days of Spooky Scraps. There also is a version of this on Instagram as well, and all the details will be in the description for this video. So my theme for the day is pocket cards, and I didn't have any like spooky pocket cards, so I'm using a cut apart from a fall collection here is what I'm going to end up doing. I don't have any Halloween photos yet, so I'm doing like a trip to a pumpkin patch with my grandkids, or that's what that's where they are anyway. So the cut aparts I'm using there are from Echo Park Happy Fall, and you saw me kind of moving those journaling cards around, and I wanted to get like the orange one is so dark, I really thought that needed to be at the bottom, and then I decided to put the one where I can actually do the journaling on in the middle, so to kind of give it a to call a little bit more attention to it because it's in the middle. And then I have that strip of striped paper from Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon collection. It's the Rainbow Lane collection. And I love that because it brings all of the colors from those cards in with the addition of kind of like a navy and some yellow into that strip of paper. And then the gingham paper background is from the Echo Park Happy Fall Forest collection. So I played around a little bit in the beginning here to get the arrangement of those cards, but once I had it, this layout actually became fairly easy, really. All right, so there's all the kids and my oldest grandson being silly. And something was a little bit off there. And it might be just how I trim the paper. So I'm going to tuck this card in, I think. That's taking me a little bit of time here. All right, there we go. Oh, I think I have it, and then I don't. That pickup truck is so popular right now. It's kind of cute. I'm glad I got it on this page. Now that is facing out, which is usually not my favorite thing to do. Normally I would want that facing into the photo, but I think the paper strip quote stops it. So that works for me. Now I'm thinking I need a little separation between that paper strip and the block of photos there. So I decided I'm going to try to use some washi tape. And I'm looking and looking and looking to try to find some. And I thought about using, I really like these thin washi tapes from Hobby Lobby. So there we go. I'll pop that on there. And so I like this royal blue right here. And that is from the Paper Studio Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of a lot of different thin ones. And they're perfect for things like this, where you just want a little bit of a separation. And there wasn't really navy anywhere other than in the photos themselves and that one block on that pattern paper. So I thought this did a great job of kind of highlighting that, bringing it all together, basically. So I'm having a little bit of a trouble because I'm at the end of the roll for this washi tape. What I had done is I wanted to put 2 strips of the washi tape on because you could still kind of see the color through the washi, but because I was at the end of the roll, I couldn't do that. So anyway, it looks fine though. All right, now I had grabbed this piece of, or this chipboard phrase collection here. And this has been hanging around my stash for quite a bit. It's time for it to go. So I put it in my Best of Both Worlds kit for October, which is something Schmel Lane is doing. And these die cuts were in that same kit. So when I went to grab the die cuts, I took that chipboard phrase too. So I pulled the Happy Day off, and that is from the Pebbles Jen Hadfield Patio Party collection. That's where that came from. And then the banners there are die cuts, and those are from the Echo Park Happy Fall ephemera. Then I have a sticker and a puffy sticker. So those both are from the Happy Fall collection. So the flat sticker is the element stickers, and then the puffy sticker is the puffy stickers from that collection. So I really like this piece here, but it's a little bit big and it covers up too much of the card and too much of the photo. So I'm just going to cut off the outer kind of border here, and which is too bad because I really do like it the way it is. But you know, I don't want this sitting in my stash, so sometimes you may need to make the product work for you. Oh my goodness. Words are hard. It's been a long day, I guess. A long day of a day off for me. So anyway, all right. Then, because I have a puffy sticker on the bottom right, I want to put one on the top left there. And as I'm working with this, I'm just having a really hard time getting it to fit without covering too much of the little pumpkin thing. I'm going to try the other pumpkin, I think, because I noticed one had just leaves and one had leaves and flowers. So I thought that would be a little bit different. So that's not working. But then I see this other die cut here, and I really like that. So I'm going to add a little bit of foam tape to that just to pop it up, just because there's a little dimension with the Happy Day chipboard phrase down there, and then that puffy sticker. And then I'll add in this other puffy sticker at the top left there as well. So now it's time to kind of get this phrase properly arranged. And I want the banner to nestle right below that phrase, but I've already got the happy sticking to the photo. And then the D is nestling in between the P and the Y. So I got that going. And then I decided I wanted something up at the top right there. And I'm playing around with a few little things from the sticker sheet here. And that is there's a sticker that kind of matched that cut apart that I used before. And I'm like, oh wait, as I find this, I'm like, oh, this is perfect. This die cut is perfect. And then I'm like, oh, no, that's not the die cut. That's that piece that I cut apart. So, which was a die cut anyway. So I put the small version of this back. That is one nice thing about Echo Park is they make kind of the same icons available in lots of different sizes. So I really like how that looks up there. And I'm not going to add a pumpkin to that one just because I wanted a little bit of decoration up there, but not too much. So now I'm going in and I have these enamel dots from Eyelet, Outlet, and Brad's. And I'm going to add those into the clusters. There we go. I needed to get that pumpkin up a little bit so I could tuck the brad underneath, which is what I really like to do with the big brads. All right, guys, there's the still shot, and there'll be a couple of detail shots. Don't forget to check out the description so you can go back and watch the other videos that have already been up this month, and then also so you'll know what's coming. Check it out on Instagram as well, too, and I'm under my name on Instagram, too. So hope you guys have a great day. Bye.